Hi guys, this is Allan Roberts and welcome back to the high ticket program. This is day number 20 and today we're going to start phase number 2 of this process where we're going to go even into more depth. We're going to add another layer of complexity here so that we can make more money long term with this program. Now, as you see behind me here, this is a 90-day video training program, and we're learning how to create a high ticket affiliate um, program for ourselves and start making money online using these techniques. So if you haven't started, go back to this playlist right here, high ticket promo 2022. Go back to the very first video and start watching them in sequence as we go through. This is going to be phase number 2. We've gone through phase number 1 and we want to continue with phase number 1. If you haven't already signed up for the offers that we are promoting, here's the links right here. Go to gallanroberts.com/sign up to sign up for the opportunity. Make sure you sign up for the annual plan and not the monthly subscription. This way you can make the $200 commissions, so you can start making more money faster and easier. No sense of doing all this work to not make very much money. So do that, and also go and get my mini course. This is free. So go to gallanroberts.com/free access to get my mini course. This will teach you more about marketing and give you more tools and trainings on how to do advanced demonstration here. This course is not about building a website at this point, but phase 2 is going to go into that process where we're actually going to build your own personal brand online. And also, if you're wondering why I'm looking over to the side, is because that's where my computer is. You want to sign up for the 100 emails daily for just $1 a day. Go to gallanroberts.com/free leads for that. And again, this is our daily to-do list. What we're doing is we're going to send out those emails every single day to our email list using the resource I just talked about here, gallanroberts.freeleads. And then we're going to do our TikTok and our Instagram, our Facebook Reels, and our YouTube Shorts. And we're going to do those videos daily. Again, copy what's already out there, copy other people's videos, make it your own unique version of it, and then post those up daily on there. And also think about doing a long form version of a video every single week and post it to your YouTube channel and your Facebook. If you have a Facebook page, put it on there. If you have your personal feed on there, put it on your personal feed. But put it out through any channels possible and build an audience. In phase 2, we're going to do something a little bit different. This is more of a long-term play, but we want to get to the point where we have a consistent source of traffic coming into our offer. And the best way to do this is by building a personal brand. And the reason why you want to build a personal brand is because it allows you to pivot to different offers throughout your career. So if you just do a niche site, what happens if you want to change niches later on? Maybe it's not very profitable, or you don't have enough traffic coming in to a particular niche site. But if you build a personal brand, now you can pivot and go to different niches in over time, and build a consistent source of traffic to one resource, your personal blog on the internet. So the best way to do this is by creating articles And you want to focus on writing articles not about just in general topics, but you want to find the articles in which a person's going to make a buying decision. So when they make a buying decision, they type in certain modifiers to keywords such as best, right? The best, software of 2022 for writing articles or something like that, right? So you want to focus on the best and how-to articles to support those best ideas. But mainly we're going to focus on finding best keywords in a particular niche. So there's many different niches. It's health, wealth, and relationships. So depending on your personal style, depends on what niche you go into and what genre you want to go into. Um, Certain niches are more competitive than others. So pick a very profitable niche, but also think about the competition. And are you able to write articles that are going to rank in Google in those particular um, niches? So don't be a generalist. Be very specific in the type of keywords that you go after. So let's say that I was in the wealth niche and I wanted to do SaaS software. This is a software as a service. So then that would be my sub niche inside that wealth niche. And then I would write articles about different SaaS softwares to do different functions inside a business. And then I would write, the best accounting software, the best webinar software, the best email software, the best website building software, those type of things. So you can go and create a whole list of best articles inside a certain niche. And so that's what we're going to teach you in the next couple days is how to do the keyword research, how to find the best uh, keywords and add the best to it, and then how to also find supporting how-to articles to go along with that. So, and then we're going to, step number 2, we're going to start writing articles weekly based on these keywords. And so we're going to create a list of keywords, and then we're going to write articles weekly. And I'm going to show you the certain format and you can write these articles quickly using Google Docs and the software on Google Docs. Then once we have maybe 10 articles written, we're going to then transition into posting those articles on a website. And I'm going to take you step by step on how to build a website. If you've never done a WordPress blog before, I'm going to show you how to do that, how to set up your themes, and how to post these articles up there with the keywords and the headlines and everything, just the way that Google would prefer it, and what plugins to use. And so we're going to go step by step in the next couple of weeks on how to do that. Step number 3. Step number 4 is do social outreach to create backlinks. There's many different ways to create backlinks, but the best way is to find people in that particular niche and then who have websites and ask to do guest posts or some other type of backlinking. You don't want to do a dual, I'll link to you if you link to me. You want to have them link out to you, and in return, you're going to offer them, a free article or something like that where they can post it on their website and link back to you as the author. So those are the best type of backlinks. So we're going to do social media outreach. I'm going to show you how you can do this on LinkedIn and other social platforms to reach out to these website owners and to create these joint venture deals where you're getting backlinks. Backlinks are the currency of the internet, and so you're going to need to have a consistent way to first create the content and second create the backlinks. So we're going to go into that. Once you do this, then the system becomes autopilot. The words, your website starts to rank in Google and traffic starts to arrive at your website. So step number 5 is ranking your website in Google. Make sure you're optimizing. You can go back and optimize your articles to make sure you have supporting keywords in there, and You can keep adding and modifying and increasing the rankability of these web pages, and this will increase the ranking in Google. And then also you're going to do your social outreach and build more and more backlinks to your web pages. And number 6 is monetizing. So the last thing that we do is then monetize the traffic that's coming to our website. And this is where we start making money with our personal brand and blog. So we'll start out with a few pages ranking. Once we do that, then we monetize it, joining affiliate networks and other affiliate programs, direct linking to those programs from our web pages, and making commissions along the way. So once we do this, once we have a few pages, then we just a step and repeat process where we can have exponential growth, write articles, rank articles, do social outreach, create backlinks, and then monetize those web pages and optimize those web pages over time. And you'll have an exponential growth machine that my friend, my mentor, has shown me. He's making $300,000 a month with this exact system that I'm just sharing with you right here. So this is phase number 2. It's not going to be an overnight training. It's going to be several weeks of training, step by step. And so I hope that you're excited about phase number 2. But I want you to still continue with phase 1. Phase 1 is something that you're going to have to continue to do. You can start outsourcing some of the tasks here, your video editing, your posting to your social media. If you want to find outsources to do that, you should start building leads here, using the emails, using the videos that we've posted on the reels and the shorts and things like that. So you should start building a list. I have a pretty large lead list here. I'll just preview it real quick. But you can see I have, 50 or 60 leads in here right now. And so you should have at least that. And if you just continue to do this and power through, you too will start building this residual income using this system. There's a metaphor about pushing a snowball up a hill. So what we're doing is we're pushing the snowball up the hill, and eventually we're going to reach the summit of the hill, and then it's going to be all downhill from there. And we're going to have this tremendous momentum built up over time. So I hope that you're enjoying this training so far. And again, this is a free training, and it's something that you'll be able to use as a resource for the rest of your career here on the internet. So congratulations, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good day.